Today, I wanted to spill a tea, not this tea, but I wanted to share how YouTube has completely changed my life. I know this has been sitting on my mind for so long that I wanted to share how YouTube has changed my life. And now, at the time of recording, we have almost like 50,000. I don't know when this video is going to be published. If we've hit 50,000, then I would like to say thank you to each one of you, because it only happens because you follow along on my journey. But if it hasn't happened yet, then I would love if you could help me make that happen. Today, I wanted to dive deep into the topic of starting a YouTube channel, because I know a lot of you who follow me on this channel has shared with me before that you wanted to start posting online, like posting content, YouTube, Instagram, whatever platform. But you have shared the interest that you do really enjoy posting online. But often you also share that feels like the fear of judgment hold me back, or I don't know what to say, and I don't even know if YouTube is worth it. So today I am sharing my own experience, how YouTube has changed my life. And somebody, I was chatting this woman for one-on-one coaching, and she mentioned something along the line, how in 3 months I made it on the YouTube. And that got me thinking. I don't know about made it part, because to me, 50,000 of you, whatever number, it's a lot. Yes, it's not a million. It's not like 10 millions. It's not 100 millions. If I start compare to big content creator, then yes, it may feel like small, but for me, this is a lot. It's almost like that I have a community, I have a friend, and they are almost 50,000 friends. Like, think about it. If you put them in a room, they are a lot. And sometimes we forget and we sound more ungrateful. Oh, I love to have million subscribers. Everybody does. But same time, I want to be so grateful for each one of you who subscribe to the channel. But talking about that, I would love if you could hit a subscribe, because this is a journey. We are going to follow along. And thank you for doing that. Going back to the topic of that I made it within 3 months. I wanted to take you back, before I answer this question, take you back a little further. Actually, I'm going to take you back 10 years. So I started posting on YouTube 10 years ago, and I was posting makeup videos, and they were horrible. I didn't even know what I was doing. It was all over the place. But you know what I'm so proud of? That at least I posted. And I had this kind of like love or a pull towards YouTube, that I really want to post on YouTube. But I never took things seriously. And to be honest, I didn't even know the strategies and tools and how to approach things back then. And I made maybe 20 videos, and I gave up because I couldn't continue with that. I just didn't know how. And then, like I said, there was a pull that I really want to be on YouTube. So fast forward to 2 years ago when I started this YouTube channel. And I started in 2023 spring. And I think it was in April. That's when I posted my first video. You can see here the clip. And I was just watching right before filming this video, because I was reflecting back on emotions when I posted that video. And when I look back, it's cringe. But to be honest, I did it. I kept consistent, because when I started 2 years ago, if you ask me, Ankita, why then you stick some time? Because I knew better things. I knew the strategy. I knew that I am taking my life as an experiment, and I really want to focus it. My life is going on in any ways. The time is passing. So why not I take things seriously? And I told myself I'm going to post consistently for 1 year, which I did. For 2023, I think I posted almost every month, or even more than that. Next year, I posted even more. I posted almost like every single week. If I missed maybe one or twice, but otherwise I kept posting. So when people see that in 3 months I gained almost 49,000 subscribers, yes, it's true. But what people don't see is my consistent effort, my persistence for 2 years that I kept posting when nobody was watching. I kept posting when it was cringy. I kept posting where I didn't even know how to post. I didn't even know how to record. I was editing by myself. I was creating those thumbnails, and I was doing all that stuff, and I kept posting. I kept persistent that I'm going to post. And I learned a lot along the way. And if you were to ask me that what I would say to anyone who is wanting to start a YouTube channel, I would say this. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. So if you are still contemplating on the decision to start a YouTube channel or post content online, I would say just take an action and take this whole thing as an experiment. Tell yourself that I'm going to consistently post for 1 year, for 2 years, or even for next 4 months, and your life is going to change. Now, with my viral video, things took off really well. My first video that took off, that was like around 4 months, 3 months. I think that was around May when my video took off. That video made me so much money. And along with video, I got 17 coaching clients, 17 women that I worked with them 101. Not only I was able to change my life, I was able to share my journey with them, and they made an impact in their life. I don't think without YouTube that was possible. And I got to know so many of you. I hosted so many live calls and seminar and so many things, and I got to know so many of you. I'm not even talking about the money, the paid partnership, and all of that. If you want me to, I do not mind to be transparent about money and how much money I made and all of that, because I don't shy away from those things. I feel like we need a transparent, honest person on the internet that not only shares just the win, because often people shy away from that. They don't share how much money they're making. They don't share that. And then people like us, we always sit in the analysis and paralysis and thinking, do they make money? Is it worth it? Because I know a lot of people start YouTube channel for 2 reasons. 1, to quit their job. 2, to make money. And I'll tell you, both of them are not correct. Let me unpack this. So when I started YouTube channel, I was still working full time. I was towards the end where I was getting away from my job, and I would work my 5 hour, 6 hour consistently. I would work, and I would then make these YouTube videos during my lunchtime when I was working from home. I would make those videos, but the goal was never to make money or to become rich. Because one thing I want to be very clear with you, you do not make money right away on YouTube. Yes, you do make money in the long run, which I will talk to you in maybe upcoming videos if you're interested, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. And I am so against that, and I would never promote that on my channel. I would never say that, because it's not the case. If you look at any YouTuber, like don't even look at Mr. Beast, like that's huge, but even look at any successful YouTubers that you watch, go back to their channel. They didn't start yesterday. It takes them like maybe 6, 7, 8, 10 years. I don't know how long it takes for them to make the money or the life that they are living. But can you make money online? Absolutely can. I have made it. It has changed my life. I have not only made money, but I have made impact. But money was never the reason why I started YouTube. Because when I started, I was just posting about outfits, because I at that time didn't know. Most of you just say that you don't know what to post about. I honestly didn't even know. I was just experimenting. I was doing home decor. I was doing outfit, because those were the things that was very exciting to me. I love talking about the outfit because I love to dress up in the home decor. And during that time, I realized that how I'm changing my life, how I quit my job, and how I'm building my brand. And that made me realize that I really wanted to share this. And I start posting about it, even when I used to get like 50 or 60 views. And it's hard pill to swallow, because when you are posting your content, when you're putting so much effort, you're just thinking that you wanted to get thousands and millions of views and like right away. Trust me, it doesn't happen overnight. YouTube is all about consistency. YouTube is a long game. People do make money. They have made it way more than what people think. People have completely changed their life. YouTube has changed my life with not even 100,000 subscribers. I don't even have 100,000 subscribers, and it has completely changed my life. I don't even know how it's going to unfold in the coming years. But why I'm sharing this is because I know that there is another Ankita sitting in the crowd. I do not want you to wait 10 more years, just like how I did it, and then bury things and don't know how to start, don't know what to talk, don't know how to put things properly, and then give up. Because I truly believe that if you want a fulfilled freedom life, then you can build through creating content. You don't have to quit your job. And this is the best thing about YouTube. If you do not want to quit your job, if you want to build a side hustle, and if you want to build until it replaces your income, you can do that. You could be engineer, doctor, whoever you are, or scientist. And if your passion is just to create content. Like for me, content creation is my creativity outlet because I love teaching people. I love sharing what I'm learning. And this is exactly what I love. I didn't do it for money. And until this date, I don't do it for money. Because the day that you start thinking about money, the day your content is going to lose your honesty, your true soul is going to be gone. Because the purpose I make this video, it's to inspire one person who is watching my video right now. And I want you, I'm talking directly to you, and I want you to take this video as a sign. And if you're thinking, oh, but I'm too embarrassed to post content. Stephen Bartlett, by the way, if you don't know Stephen Bartlett he's a host for Diary of CEO, the biggest podcast ever. I love Stephen Bartlett. He said something, embarrassment is the cost of entry. And I couldn't say anything further because it is so true. We all feel cringe. We all do. Every time when I post my videos, even looking back at my own video when I posted 2 years ago, I'm cringing when I'm watching. But this is the price that you pay. If you think it is that simple, then everybody would be doing it, right? Why a lot of people do not stick with the content creation? They start YouTube channel and they give up. Why? Because it is almost like learning a new skill. I had to film this section again because my camera died. Anyways, well, this is the price that you pay with the YouTube. Anyways, going back to what I was saying before is if you can wake up 5 a.m. for your work, but if I tell you that why don't you make a YouTube video in the morning, you would never wake up. You would never wake up for yourself. You would always come up with excuses. This is exactly my point is. If you have big dreams, if you have the goals that you wanted to create a content online, you want to make money online, you also want to share your idea with the world, and you're just sitting with that, the time is going to pass by. And if you can wake up for your boss, if tomorrow things changes, your boss asks you that every single employee needs to make a one YouTube video, I bet you are going to make it. But when it comes to your own self, when it comes to for your own goals, you would not make it. So if you are still sitting with that idea, then this is your sign. And I don't know what else to say. And I know right after watching this video, you are going to Google it, is YouTube really worth it? And here is my answer. Yes. If YouTube can change my life literally in 3 months or maybe 4 months, then why it cannot change yours? It definitely can. But the only caveat is you cannot do this only for money. If your goal is to make money, there are other ways to make money. And money is a byproduct. My goal to make YouTube video is to inspire someone. I wanted to share my journey, how I am changing it. Just an ordinary person trying to change their life. And that is still the reason why I share my videos. And by the way, if you want me to share more about the personal branding and content creation, how to do it, what to do it, and what to say, I would love to do it. But you have to tell me in the comment section. But going back to the same point that yes, YouTube is worth it. Yes, it will make you money, but it's a long game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme because I really hate it. I don't think there is such thing. That is just scammy. That is just cringe to me. So I don't know what you're sitting on. I don't know why you are waiting for another sign as your sign, and create content. Stick with the plan. Stay consistent. And if you want to know how to do it strategically, then hit the subscribe button because I will be sharing a lot more because I truly believe I really want to empower every single person because if I can do it, anyone can do it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, David T, if you're watching this, where's my collab? It's not sponsored yet.